guys, it's Katie. Excuse me, I just woke up, so I sound a little bit groggy, but I am back and vlogging. It is New Year's Eve, so I figured I would just do a vlog to kind of bring you guys into the new year. I have a lot of plans for the new year. I just spent last night making kind of like a planner for videos that I want to film coming up in January at least, and I'm gonna add to it more so. I don't know. Yesterday I cleaned my room. Yay, it's clean. It was a mess before, and now I just kind of feel motivated to like film. I don't know, I haven't had a lot of motivation the last few months, mostly because I was juggling like 2 jobs for a while. I just got a full-time job, so I quit my other 2 jobs, and yeah, so that's taking up a lot of my time now, but it's fine. I enjoy it. I'm also thinking about moving soon because my job is an hour away, so yeah, kind of been hunting for apartments and getting all that stuff organized. But yeah, today's gonna be fun. I'm gonna be doing some cooking later. We're just kind of keeping it low-key, hanging out at my house with the family, and my sister's sister's boyfriend and stuff. We're just chilling, gonna eat some food. I'm gonna make some buffalo chicken dip and some salsa, so that'll be cool. I'll do that later. But this morning I think I'm going to do my makeup, and I'm going to film a couple videos for my book channel because it's kind of the end of the year, so I want to do some end of the year wrap-ups for that. Yeah, so that's my plan. With my new video schedule, I think I'm trying something different because I have off on the weekends, so I feel like I just want to try to film as many videos as I can on the weekends, and then during the week I'll just kind of edit them after work, just because it's really hard to film after work because I get out at like 6 and it's dark by then, and I still don't have studio lights. So yeah, we're gonna try doing the editing during the week and most of the filming during the weekend when I can have daylight. But yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup and film a couple of I'm gonna do my makeup, get ready, and film a couple book videos, and then I might do some sewing or something. We'll see what time it is when I finish, but I'm gonna go do that. I have such sensitive eyes, and whenever I don't wear eyeliner for a while, it just like burns. I had to get hypoallergenic eyeliner because I'm like allergic to it. And this is why I don't wear eyeliner that often. Yeah. But yeah, it's just quick and easy, and I don't like the feeling of having a ton of foundation caked on my face. Sometimes I'll do like a full face if I'm doing like an eyeshadow look, because I just feel like doing a full face feels better then. But I'm just filming some videos, so I felt like being just simple. But yeah, I'm gonna get dressed real quick because I'm still in my pajamas. And I'm gonna film some book videos, so yay! I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so I just finished filming my videos for my book channel. I filmed 3 of them, so yay! Now I just have to edit them, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow. It's 11:15, not too bad. I think I started around 10, so only took like an hour. Quick videos for that. I'm hungry, so I think I'm gonna get some breakfast. And then I'm just gonna like chill. Is today Monday? I think it is. Yeah, it's Monday, and I actually got off work today, so that's nice. Get a holiday off. I don't know. I just want to relax because I barely have time to relax. So I think I could sew, but maybe I'll do that later. I'm going to get some food, and I think I'm just going to go hop on the PlayStation and play some games for a little while. Yeah. Made me some French toast. Now we're going to play some PlayStation. Yeah. You gotta play that Call of Duty. Yeah. I'm excited. So, I'm gonna play some games, guys, for a little bit. I'll talk to you when something more interesting happens, like when Kevin comes over and we start cooking for New Year's. I gotta charge my battery though, so I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, I'm in my craft room now. I decided to work on some more of my wallets. I have a few more designs. I bought some fabric. How cute is this Lilo and Stitch fabric though? It's hard to see because these are the lanyards, but I have like all of these wallets over here that I cut out. A bunch of new designs that I need to sew. So I'm going to be working on that for a little while.
Oh no, you're done!
Is that me?
Yeah!
You know what? I'm looking at the wrong gun. I'm looking at the bottom picture.
Look at the top! You're on the top!
I was looking at I'm at the bottom.
Alright, hit X. Alright, hit X.
Okay.
Alright, you're in.
You're the
Should
top.
we switch his gun after this kill?
I don't think it's the gun.
He's walking in the walls.
Are you filming this?
I don't know how to fucking run.
You're looking at the ceiling. Move the right stick down.
He's right there.
I can't get through all of it.
Come on, hit R2, hit R2. Here, let me see your control. No, I want to switch your gun.
Yeah, okay.
I don't know why. Well, I'm 12 if he's flipping up my numbers.
Here's sparklers and snappets and stupid snakes.
I want to do sparklers.
You're doing them in here.
Pop it.
Alright.
Pop the bottle. Pop
Yeah,
the
it's
bottle. Yeah, pop it.
Wait, I had
not
to
It's
even.
not even.
Well, we have to pour it so we can toast at midnight, don't
It's
we?
not even
Are you,
time.
So pop it.
Wait, I mean,
Do it.
what
I am
else is
filming.
on my
Pop
phone?
it.
Popping bottles!
Is it my rug?
That's mine.
You saw. Woo!
That scared me.
Yeah,
Now
I know.
pour.
It's you, the only.
Jeez, there was no countdown.
Is that the good gun?
Wait,
16, 17, 16, 18, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7,
Parker!
New Year!
4.
Almost. Uh-oh, hear that?
6, 5, 4, 3.
I already did it.
Happy New Year!
Happy New
We
Year!
scared the cat!
Yeah, I got
Happy New Year!
Everybody, cheer me!
Happy New Year!
God, oh, I have to go kiss him right
Kevin, you gotta cheers me.
now. Wait, I gotta get around first.
Oh, wait a minute.
Cheers.
Oh, this is tangy. Ew.
Oh, God, let's put hair on your tongue.
What?
Ew, this one's kind of worse than the other one.
Where's my drink? Wait, I can't.
Greg, did you go kiss Marlene?
Why? I never kissed her all year. Oh!
How do I do this?
Pull! Pull it forward.
Wait, I'm gonna pull it! I'm gonna
She wants to pull it between her toes.
You're not even on camera. You weren't even on. You weren't even on camera.
Kiss the ball. Here we go.
pull it!
Allison, you gotta kiss.
Oh, he's pushing me.
Look at these,
What is a guess after
look at these weirdos.
Well,
Look at these weirdos. They're making out. Uh-oh. Did you spill?
I dropped my phone.
Now I gotta pick all this shit up. Oh, wait.
Happy New Year, brother!
Are you trying to make him kiss an elf?
How's it going, man?
I
Kiss it.
Go away.
It's 2019. It's allowed.
Everybody's too loud.
Yeah, he's my brother
Kiss
from
the
another
elf.
mother.
It's
Kiss
okay.
the elf. Kiss the
Yeah,
elf.
we're all saying Happy New Year and shit. I came back home about 10:30. Yeah, I went
Come
out.
on,
I
kiss
missed. I
this
got
elf.
about 50.
Elf.
Yeah, I go back down
Yeah,
about
Yeah,
10
right now.
Don't hurt my elf.
Yeah, about 15, 20 minutes.
She didn't get hurt.
The elf?
Oh my God.
The elf doesn't go there.
Usually 12:30 I'd go out and kick
They're
some
making
ass.
it. Hold on.
Ew.
We gotta make sure the
What are you doing back there?
magnets are kissing.
You're like an elf kiss.
60-90.
Yeah, I know.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, they'll be shooting on
With
these
their
things.
long legs.
Alright, take care, boss. Have a good one, man.
2019.
Alright, later.
Oh my God. You people are so inappropriate.
So, Tony, I called
Are you
Buster
still
Tony.
filming?
You embarrass me. I'm not.
Woo!
Look at it. It was good feeling.
Happy New Year, Corey.
There was a bunch of white.
Yay, our 3 seconds of excitement.
She got it. I wanted to say
Hi,
that.
Jillian.
For why? Remember that one year there was sparkles on the ceiling because Kevin popped something that went all up on the ceiling.
Hey, remember when that was actually exciting?
I've been absolutely
She's laughing.
every moment
Y'all
of
just
my life.
punch each
Nothing
other?
to keep me from doing a single thing I wanted to do.
Get off her.
You killed her now. Stop. You won't stand down. Stop me with your bony ass.
Fight, fight, fight. That was a lame fight.
I'm gonna knock her out.
Yeah! Knock her out! Knock her out! Knock her out!
Alright, knock it off. Knock it off. No, no, get hurt. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
Stop, 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 stop!
She lifted Connor in the kitchen.
You killed Allison.
I'd be aware if I were you, Allison.
You must like her barely.
Hey guys, it is the next morning. I forgot to end this video, so I'm gonna do that now. But I hope you all had a really good New Year's. I know I did. It was fun just kind of hanging out with my family and friends, just chilling at home, relaxing for a little bit. I go back to work tomorrow, so that'll be fun. But I'm going to try to get some videos edited. I have some stuff filmed, and I don't know, this year I'm just really going to try to upload a little bit more consistently and just kind of put more focus on things that I want to do. Yeah, I want to say last year was pretty good for me, and at least towards the end of it, and I'm really excited to see what 2019 has in store. Stereotypical stuff, yay. But yeah, that is all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.